Hey, what's up guys? It's Foster, and in today's video, we're gonna be doing a review of 2022. This is our 2015 Subaru STI. It's pretty much all show and no go, which is part of the reason why we wanted to do this build series. The plan is to give the STI some engine mods so that its performance matches its aggressive styling. Hopefully we answered the question of how much power can you make with these mods.
Yeah, not good. Not good. Redeem myself later.
All right.
My mouth's already dry.
How was that? what's up? It's Foster. I'm going to be taking you guys around the SEMA Show 2022. All right, so that pretty much does it for our 2022 recap video. I hope you enjoyed watching the montage that we put together for you. This year has been pretty crazy. There's been a lot of highs and lows. Some of the highlights for me personally have been, it's my first year on camera, so thank you all for the support you've given me. And we've also finished the rebuild series on the WRX. We hosted our first Flat 4 Throwdown. We went to a ton of SubiFest events where I got to meet some of you in person. And last but not least, we picked up that VB WRX, which I'm really looking forward to modifying more in 2023. Looking forward, there's gonna be a lot of changes in 2023. If you can't already tell, we moved to a new building and I'm really excited about it, so stay tuned for a full tour of our new shop down the road. I also hope 2023 can be the year that we come together as a car community because we are such a small group of enthusiasts. It's important for us to stick together and not be so divisive online. So I'm just gonna leave it at that. Last but not least, if you guys are curious what our best-selling products were of 2022, head over to the SubiSpeed website and check out all the deals that we offered. We've got a bunch of discounted prices in case you want to do any last-minute holiday shopping. And with that said, happy holidays, happy new year. I'll see you guys next time.